Hey friends, a lot of users are reporting that the taskbar shows two Microsoft Edge icons when opening new tabs. So here's the thing. Microsoft Edge is a Chromium based browser and it works on the same principle as Chrome, though it is not as updated as Chrome as of present. So in the case of Chrome, we have different profiles, but in the case of Edge, if you by chance created a new profile, you will see that it will open two separate tabs for Microsoft Edge, because each tab will signify a different profile. Like this is the guest profile and this is my own profile. Okay, so this is why you can see multiple profiles. You can just close that one. Actually, it's normal, you don't need to do anything about it, or just right click and unpin that from the taskbar, but again that is not required. You can unpin it from the taskbar. When you close it, it will be removed, but that is not required. It is just a normal thing, you can ignore it, but again your choice. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.